Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for your needs. Today, we're looking at the ELITEROO 3-tier wooden display riser stand, an exceptional piece that's quickly gaining attention. If you're looking for the best wood-tiered display stand, this product could be exactly what you need. The ELITEROO 3-tier wooden display riser stand is a versatile and portable display solution that brings organization and elegance to your countertop, craft booth, or retail environment. Designed with 3 steps, this display riser offers a perfect way to showcase smaller items like soaps, candles, jewelry, and even plants. Its step-up design optimizes your space, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're a vendor at a craft show or a retailer looking for a way to organize products, this display stand stands out as one of the best choices in the market. Made from high-quality particle board, the display stand is both sturdy and durable. It's supported by thickened iron legs that ensure strong stability, so you won't have to worry about it tipping over under the weight of your products. This robust construction gives it a significant weight-bearing capacity, which is essential when you're displaying a variety of items. Its sleek, rustic brown color adds a touch of sophistication to any setup, whether it's for a farmer's market, a trade show, or even for personal use around the home. Assembling the ELITEROO display riser is straightforward. With detailed instructions and the necessary tools included, you can set it up in under 10 minutes. Once set up, it's easy to maintain and clean. Simply wipe the waterproof wooden surface with a damp cloth to keep it dust-free and looking fresh. This makes it ideal for long-term use in a busy retail environment. What makes this display stand even better is its multifunctionality. While perfect for retail settings, it can also be used at home as a tabletop organizer for perfumes, nail polishes, or even as a spice rack in the kitchen. It truly is a flexible piece that can serve many purposes, making it a great addition to any space. If you're in need of an elegant and reliable display stand, the ELITEROO 3-tier wooden display riser stand delivers on all fronts. It combines style, sturdiness, and portability, and it is a standout option for anyone needing a display that's as practical as it is beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.